show that the formula used to calculate compound interest is Pn, the future value, is equal to P, the initial investment, times 1 plus R, the interest rate, between parentheses, exposed to n, the number of years. We are going to start with an initial deposit P. After the first year, we will have our initial deposit P plus the interest paid on that initial amount, which is RP. Now P is the greatest common factor, and when we factor it out, we have, after the first year, P times 1 plus R. After the second year, P times 1 plus R is our deposit, and we'll get interest on P times 1 plus R. So the interest is R times P times 1 plus R, and P times 1 plus R is our greatest common factor. When we factor it out, we are left with 1 plus R. And 1 plus R times 1 plus R, we add the exponent, and we'll get P times 1 plus R to the second. Third year, the deposit in the account will be P times 1 plus R. In the beginning of the third year, P times 1 plus R squared. And the interest will be R times P times 1 plus R squared. Similarly, P times 1 plus R squared is our greatest common factor. And the other factor will be 1 plus R as expected, which is 1 plus R to the first. And 1 plus R squared times 1 plus R to the first is 1 plus R cubed. P times 1 plus R cubed will be the amount in the account after the third year. Now, remember that the number of years is represented by the exponent of 1 plus R. So year n, for that matter, for any year, it would be P times 1 plus R to the n. Our conclusion: P for nth year is equal to P times 1 plus R between parentheses to the nth.